Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you back to the channel, where not only do we talk about great stocks, but we also talk about great books. Listen, family, just wrapped up a nice book summary on The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. So if you get a chance, make sure you check it out. And if you like to buy great stocks and you like to travel the world, man, this shirt right here is a representation of you. Stocks and stamps. We love to buy great stocks, and we love to get that passport stamped. So check out the link in the description. Family, the week in the market has been a little rocky, a little shaky. And if you are a new investor and you've been, invested in these stocks and you've had huge gains all year and you've been investing in a lot of these EV stocks and energy stocks, and, now we see that, we're down 40 and 50% in those industries. And the question is, where will the fall ends? Right? Will it continue to fall? Will the stocks continue to fall, or will we have some type of reversal in pattern? Now, I came out with a video at the beginning of the week about NIO. People was talking about buy the dip, and I said, hey, let the technicals guide you. This isn't the dip that you want to buy. Let's take a look at the technicals. Let the technicals guide you. All right. Now, I want to just take a minute and talk about the final candle development. Now, I remember when I first started back on my channel, I came out with a candlestick training videos. All right, bunch of videos about different candlesticks. And so I want to talk about this candlestick here. Now, when you have certain candlesticks at the top of a trend or at the bottom of a trend, it could be a sign that there is a reversal in pattern. All right. Now, when we take a look at the development of this candle here, this one right here, you can see we have strong downward movement. All right. We have strong downward movement. The candle that appears at the bottom of this uptrend, at the bottom of this downtrend, is what we call the hammer. All right, the hammer candle. Now, when we zoom in and we take a look at this candle, we call it the hammer candle because it's shaped like a hammer. But what happened during the development of this candle? Well, we had an open of 39.24, and the bears continued their onslaught, and they drove the price all the way down to 31.92. That is a huge drop off in one day. All right, then the news came out about the jobs report. And then what happened? It was great news. Then the bulls came rushing back in. So the bulls came rushing back in, and they were able to drive the price up to 39.87. Then the bears came roaring back in, trying to push the price down again, and they end up pushing the price down to 38.11. All right, so when you take a look at this candle, we could surmise that the bears gained control at the beginning of the day, but the bulls came in and they gained control towards the end of the day. All right. So, but the bulls didn't have enough time to fully reverse the color of this candle from bearish to bullish, or from red to green. The bulls just ran out of time. All right. They ran out of time. Now, when we see this type of candle at the end of a downtrend, the hammer candle could represent a reversal in pattern. So you don't need a whole bunch of indicators. You don't need 40, 50 lines on a chart. If you understand certain candles at certain points on a chart, that can give you an idea of the sentiment of the market. On Monday, the following candle must either trade above this hammer candle or it must close above the hammer candle. All right. Now, if it closes above this hammer candle, that would be a great sign to jump into this stock. That would be a great sign to place some call options. All right. Now, remember, nothing is guaranteed. All right. We could have a green candle, then we could have a few more red candles before reversing. But at the bottom of a downtrend, the hammer candle is a sign that there is or there could be a strong reversal in pattern on the horizon. All right. So again, I want to say this one more time before I get out of here. When there is a hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend, the following candle, depending on what type of trader you are or investor, some people want the following candle to either close above the hammer candle or if it trades above the hammer candle. So, for example, you have the body of the candle, then you have the lines protruding from the top and the bottom. Now, those lines protruding from the top or the bottom are what we call wicks. All right. And these wicks they tell us the high of the day and the low of the day. All right. Now, the body of the candle tells us the opening of the day and the closing of the day. All right. Now, if you need any more explanations on candlesticks, I could definitely provide more candlestick pattern recognition every time I do a video. Just let me know. But again, we just need the following candle to be trading above this hammer or close above this hammer. And we could surmise that we are at the bottom and it's time for a reversal in pattern. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video added some value to you. Now, if it did, hey, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button if this is your first time checking me out, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.